Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will fix stuck keys for the keypad of a Studer A807. We are going to do this quick and fast, so I sped up the video in a lot of places so we can get through this quickly and I will not bore you. I have already removed the board with the switches on it from the Studer, and the right switch here with the red light is stuck. We have to remove this from the PCB. Fortunately that's quite easy. It has some plastic clips. And it's taken out rather simply. First I take out the LEDs. They're nicely socketed. I take off the pad with the contacts, and that was very dirty, and I clean that. Then the switches themselves. They are held together by two clips. And when you pinch them together you can take out the key. Like so. When the keys are really stuck, you need to apply a lot of force. Not with pinching, but with pushing it out. So this is the one that's difficult, that's stuck. To make it easier to clean the shafts, I simply take them off. Here I remove the plastic keys with some detergent. The shafts are a little bit rusty, so that's why they get stuck. They get rusty and they expand a little bit, just a little bit, and then they get really stuck inside the plastic casing. So here I have a little sanding going on, just to make them a tiny bit smaller, so they will work again. Now I will not bore you with that. I've done all three of them, and the fourth one I did the old-fashioned way. I just want to show you. Just use some sandpaper and just manual labor. Nothing wrong with that, but I had to do a lot of them, so in the end I took out the Dremel. But all done. Put the caps back on. You need to use some force. After that, I clean the electrical contact patches. They are just bare traces on the board, on the circuit board. And as you can see by the cotton swab, there's a lot of dirt coming off. And after cleaning it with alcohol, I use a special EML spray, which gives it a nice coating and protects it for future corrosion. I also do the pads with that. And then it's time to reassemble the whole thing. First the pads, the contact pads. Then it's time to put back the lights, but first clean them. Everything is just a little bit dirty and I want it to be nice and shiny. So a little bit of alcohol on the cloth and clean them. Put them back in their sockets. Time to clean the keypads housing. It's very dirty inside. I use a cotton swab with some cleaning fluid, and you see it's very dirty. And after a good cleaning, I really clean the area where the shafts need to go. Don't want any dirt there. Then it's time to lubricate the shafts. I found out that that works really good. Just turn them around a bit so it gets really oily. So that's that keypad done, and just click it back on the board and there you have it. And all keys are working perfectly. Thank you for watching.